In a vast, lush jungle, there lived a cassowary named Casey who was known for his vibrant, iridescent blue plumage. He was admired by all the creatures of the jungle, but Casey was not content. He longed to be as colorful as the flowers that bloomed around him. One day, Casey met a chameleon named Charlie. Charlie could change his color to blend perfectly with his surroundings. Casey, impressed, asked, "How do you do that, Charlie?" Charlie replied, "I have the ability to adapt my color to match the environment. It helps me hide from predators and catch prey." Casey was envious. He thought, if only I could change colors like Charlie, I would be even more admired. Casey asked, "Would you teach me to change colors, Charlie?" Charlie hesitated. "I can, but remember, Casey, your beauty lies in your unique color. Changing it might make you just like everyone else." Casey, however, was insistent. Charlie, reluctantly, taught Casey the secret to changing colors. Casey practiced day and night, but no matter how hard he tried, he could not replicate Charlie's skill perfectly. One day, a fierce predator approached the jungle. The jungle animals hid, but Casey, thinking he could blend in, changed his color to match the predator. However, he stood out among the greens and browns of the jungle, and the predator easily spotted him. Charlie, seeing the danger, quickly ran to Casey. He said, "Casey, your beauty is not in blending in, but in standing out. Your iridescent blue feathers are a beacon of hope and admiration for others. Learn to appreciate what makes you unique." Casey realized his mistake. From that day forward, he embraced his unique beauty and became a role model for all the jungle creatures. And they all lived happily, learning the lesson that true beauty lies in being unique and not trying to be like everyone else. Moral asterisk: embrace your uniqueness and let your individuality shine, for it is your unique qualities that make you truly beautiful.